Hi guys, and welcome back to MSI's new unboxing video for Prestige 15. So this is the first Prestige laptop and first MSI laptop in India with a 10th generation Intel Core processor. So let's unbox and see what the new device looks like and what it has to offer. First thing out of the box, and we see a huge white box that contains the charger. This is the first laptop in India from MSI with a fast charger, and that too a Thunderbolt Type C charger. The charger has a good enough long cable, and the laptop has a battery of 82 watt hours, which provides a battery backup time of 16 hours plus. Opening the box, and the first thing that we see is the device itself. It is a really light and a thin device. Let's see how it looks from the inside. And the device is really gorgeous. It's a blue device with blue diamond cut edges, large air vents, and the best part is the 180-degree rotating hinge. The laptop folds completely flat on the surface, so you can share your display with anyone around you. Looking at the A panel, it is a matte finish, really premium looking A side with a subtle logo. Opening it up, we have the bezel-less display and a webcam on top. The B panel is metal with a glossy touchpad and a fingerprint sensor in it. The webcam on top and heat vents near the display. Now let's turn around this beauty and let's see what's on the rear side of this laptop. There is some good amount of ventilation space on the rear side with large air vents and large speakers on the side. With a long travel of 1.5 mm, this keyboard is really joy to type on, and the sandblasted finish on the laptop gives it a premium look. Talking about the ports, on the left hand side it has two Thunderbolt 3 with charging capability, full size HDMI and a combo audio jack. On the right it has two full size USB-A ports and a micro SD card slot. The rear side is clean with just vents for airflow. Thunderbolt 3 allows 40 Gbps of file transfer speed and charging via a power bank. Let's turn on this laptop and let's see how it looks. So both the ports support USB-C PD charging, which keeps the laptop juiced up. Talking about the display, this laptop sports up to 4K display with more than 280 ppi of resolution and a complete sRGB coverage. 4K display in a 15-inch form factor gives out really crisp images, and they are really great for content creators. With factory calibrated display to 100% Adobe RGB, this laptop is a go-to choice for all content creators. Let's talk about Creator Center, a software baked inside this laptop to help all creators with softwares like Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, and various other softwares for content creation. Creator Center helps track your system usage like your CPU usage, GPU, memory, and total disk usage. It gives out various useful system information like your power plan, your fan speed, etc. So let's talk about System Tuner. It helps you edit the DPI, the color settings for your laptop. It helps in a quick and easy tuning when it comes to the display, the color quality of your display. The battery settings help for best battery life, a balanced or a mobility. MSI True Color helps in changing the color profile of your laptop on the go. So it's a very easy to use application. You just click on it, select sRGB, Adobe RGB, or the environment for which you are using, like Office if you're watching a movie, anti-blue, so it's cool for your eyes and doesn't strain your eyes. If you're playing some games, you can select the gamer's profile. It also lets you tweak your color settings with some advanced options, like you can select the red, green and blue grommets. You can select the brightness, you can adjust the color temperature and play around with it. Let's try using Photoshop Lightroom and let's see how this new laptop performs and how easy it is and how the task can be done on a fly. Editing images and content creation on this laptop is really fun. With i7 and Nvidia graphics, this becomes a really easy task. So a 4K display with 100% sRGB coverage is like a cherry on top, and this laptop has you all covered when it comes to content creation. So now let's take a look at some of the key features and specifications of this laptop. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Tell us in the comment how you like this laptop and what great things you would like to try once you get hands-on with this device. Keep following us on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook, and do let us know in the comment section what you think about this product.